Confirmed Mattress, aka Best Mattress Ever. That's their hashtag. This mattress comes in 3 different firmness levels: soft, medium, which I'm on now, and then a firmer option. Medium option is versatile enough for pretty much all types of sleepers, back, side, and stomach. If you're really truly a side sleeper, you're going to want to go with the soft. If you're more on your stomach and back all the time, the firm might be a little bit better option. But just a basic overview, this is a 10-inch mattress. It's from Brooklyn Bedding. It's a complete redesign of what they've had a while back. So they've got a 6-inch foam core, which is standard on most foam mattresses, and then they use what they call a TitanFlex foam for the other 2 layers. So you get a 2 inches of TitanFlex foam as a transitional layer, and then 2 inches, which is just a little bit softer, as the top layer. And that also has cooling gel. It has almost like a latex type reaction, so when you push on it, you get that spring back really quickly, and I show that on my website as well. So you'll see even on this, just a nice bounce. You're not getting that initial thud. You get a pretty good bounce. It's got a nice knit cover, nice ticking that gives it some texture and added softness. It comes with a 120-night trial. A queen retails for $750. And I do have a discount code on my website. If you click the link from my site, you should be able to get an extra 5% off. So more information on the Brooklyn Bedding mattress at sleepshirker.com.